Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Florencia and I just wanted to do something dark today. I know prom is coming up and it's all glam and glitz and glitter. That's what glitz is, yeah. So I never went to prom, but if I would have gone to prom, I feel like if I had access to all this makeup, which I know all high schoolers do now because you saw how they be doing their makeup. I feel like I would have done something like this, you know, like you pretty much just need a black eyeshadow and a metallic black eyeshadow, or if you have glitter, like black glitter, go ahead and throw that on top of the black eyeshadow. And then you just need a dark lip, some falsies for that extra voluminous dramatic look, and crazy hair. I didn't go too crazy. My hair is already crazy, so I feel like I don't have to do a lot. Hair is not my department, I'm sorry. Let me know if you like it down in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave this video. That's if you want, of course. But anyways, without further ado, I'm gonna shut up and let's go to the video. I love how YouTubers do that.
Alright guys, onto a voiceover here. So I love this primer because it does eliminate some of the redness on my face and also helps blur a little bit. It helps keep the makeup on basically. For foundation, I'm going to use a couple of layers of this one. It's the Physicians Formula Healthy Skin Foundation. I mostly use it because I love this applicator, to be honest. With my Real Technique Beauty Sponge, we're just gonna use that to blend the foundation and concealer. Make sure it's damp when you use it. One of my favorite concealers is the NYX or the NYX, sorry, wow, so 2015. The NYX concealer, the HD concealer, I like to use this for highlighting and for concealing, I guess you can say, any dark spots. I also use it on my eyelids for a base for the eyeshadow. If you have a favorite concealer, let me know what it is. I always use this Fit Me Loose powder by Maybelline. So I'm putting some under the eyes. I'm gonna leave it there for a little bit just to help the brightening. I did use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Ebony. I just wanted to skip that. And I am cleaning it up with that NYX concealer just to make everything more like edgy and more precise. I'm using a little thin flat brush. With my Shade and Light palette, I'm just gonna bronze up the face, do some contouring. I like to use the first and third shades with an angled brush. That's from e.l.f., I believe. And I just take it up to my temples, forehead, and below my cheekbones. I usually put it higher than my own cheekbones to give me that effect of like super high cheekbones. And then I am blending it all the way with my Real Technique brush. With my little Tarte blush in Party, I'm just gonna take that on the cheeks with a round, dense, fluffy brush. And I take it all the way back to my temples. I like this shadow because it's like mauve-y, not too pink. And then I also blend it away again. I'm just using the first gray shade to contour my nose from that Shade and Light palette. Nothing too crazy. For the eyes, I'm going to be using two brown shadows from MAC. There's this one, and I'm just going to take a blending brush. It's kind of dense. And I'm just putting that on the crease and bringing it out a little bit. And then with this darker brown, they're both kind of shimmery. The first one wasn't, sorry. This one's more of a metallic brown, but you can't really see any glitter. That's why I just used it. And I'm using it to deepen my crease. To make it look darker, this is going to give us a little bit more of a dimension so we don't just go straight with the black. It's just going to help it blend a little bit smoother, even though the black shadow will be kind of sharp. I have this Makeup Academy metallic palette. I really like it. They're super pigmented. So I just took the black with a Real Technique flat brush. And I'm just carving it from edge to edge. Inner corner and outer corner, I mean. And you're gonna want to go ahead and build all the pigment. So it's a lot of back and forth. I'm just taking a makeup wipe because I did realize, you know, for this kind of black eyeshadow look, you might have wanted to do your face after, but honestly, all I did later was fix it with some concealer, so it's okay. And with that same wipe, I'm just creating my wing, so you just clean it up. Now I'm just cleaning my under eyes with some concealer again. That was such waste of product, but you know, that happens. And I'm going back with those first two shadows that we used on our crease, and I'm just gonna put that under the waterline. That way it's not so like dark at the top and like nothing in the bottom. I always like to darken up my waterline. And I just took a black pencil and go ahead and put that on the waterline. I did put some on the tight line at the top, but it looked so creepy on camera, so I didn't want to show you. And with this NYX mascara, Worth the Hype, I really like it. I'm just using that real quick for the top and bottom before I put on the liquid eyeshadow. Sorry, liquid eyeliner. This is the NYX one. It's a lot of NYX in this video. Wow. So if you've been watching my videos, you know I talk how I used to be so good at eyeliner, and now I just cannot create a wing. I don't know what it is. I think I need to like experiment. But I'm just going a lot of back and forth here, building up the eyeshadow. I tried to put some of this white metallic shadow on the inner corners, but it really didn't do much, so you can just skip this step. Unless you have a super intense white shimmery metallic shadow, I think that would look really cool. And just throwing on some eyelashes here. One day I will have the Lily lashes in Miami. Just watch. And with my favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit by Nicole Guerrero, the collab, I'm taking those two and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on my cheekbones. Not too high, kind of low. And then I also bring it up to my temples and a little bit above my brow bone. With a beauty sponge, I find you get most like tensity out of it, so if you want to do that, go ahead. I think I went a little overboard. And my stone lip liner from MAC. I'm gonna outline my lips before we put on that dark lip. That way it's a little bit more cleaner than just going in with a straight lipstick. There's nothing fun about watching people put on lip liner. I mean, I don't know. And here is the Maybelline lipstick, Concrete Jungle. Now, I gotta say this is pretty drying, so I would wear some lip balm while you do your face before putting this on. I only had it for like the 30 minutes. So, but yeah, I would have totally done that. So if you're gonna wear something like this, put on some lip balm. And then with some concealer and the same brush I used to carve out my brows, I just go ahead and cleaned up the sides. But that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you next time. Bye.